Along the Grateful Park Tour, we are going to visit many of our more popular park locations throughout the city. We are extremely grateful for all the natural resources and amenities that are available to us right here in the city of Manitowoc. Welcome everybody to the Grateful Park Tour. My name is Kurt Hall. I'm the Park and Rec Division Manager. And today we're here at Silver Creek Park, located at 3001 South 10th Street in Manitowoc, Wisconsin. It is the second biggest park in the city of Manitowoc at just over 71 acres, just behind Camp Vitz Park. Some of the amenities at this park are a beautiful historic field house built by the Conservation Corps in the early 1900s. This field house has an amazing vaulted ceiling space with accent lighting, beautiful stone fireplaces, a full kitchen and full lower level in this facility as well. It's a great opportunity to have a wedding or a function. We are in the process of developing a wedding package, so we are purchasing all the amenities you might need for those people who are interested in booking this entire property for a wedding. You can book for the whole weekend at a really reasonable rate for a turnkey wedding experience. At this property is a concession stand, which is down along the Silver Creek. That is a great location for some of your outdoor events if you want to have an outdoor wedding or a family or corporate get-together. Also an open air shelter that's known as Picnic Hill, and that is on the south end of the property overlooking Lake Michigan. This park does house a 36-hole disc golf course, and that disc golf course was primarily in-kind donation materials and labor by the Discover Eastern Wisconsin Disc Golf Organization. And so big shout out to Jim Van Lannen and that organization for doing the bulk of the installation of the disc golf course and ongoing maintenance of the disc golf facility. This disc golf course is known regionally as one of the primary disc golf destinations in eastern Wisconsin, but also throughout the Midwest. This disc golf course is also home to some of your really large PDGA disc golf tournaments. It's one of their signature holes. It's known as the Lighthouse hole, and the basket is surrounded by Lake Michigan on 3 sides, and the basket is set atop a 6-foot lighted lighthouse. In the winter, you can come out and try the sledding hill, as well as in the winter there is about 2.5 acres of marked and groomed fat bike trails on the property, and that was in partnership with a local volunteer group, the Heavy Pedal Velo Group. And in 2017 there was a new playground installed on the park property. It's got a number of old growth cedar trees right along Silver Creek. Silver Creek does meander through the property, goes into Lake Michigan, so the mouth of Silver Creek is right here in the Silver Creek Park. Beach frontage as well. Just a really great destination to come out and experience the outdoors and have some fun.